Here's a quick and hearty meal cooked in my nostalgia mini skillet and noodle cooker. I've been enjoying this mini skillet and noodle cooker, and man, I use it almost every day to cook breakfast in. Y'all, this thing was 11 bucks on Amazon. Check down in the description box for a link to this product. It came overnight, and I haven't been cooking on the stove. I've been cooking in this noodle and skillet maker. Best gadget of 2025. And the best thing about it is the easy cleanup. All it takes is a quick wipe with your dish rag, and man, it's ready to go. And wow, best gadget of 2025 for sure. It's not just for cooking ramen noodles, it's for cooking breakfast, it's for cooking anything. And wow, that little skillet and the little pot with a lid works perfect. But let's get started with this ramen meal. This takes a whole package of ramen noodles, and I just broke them into four smaller blocks, and they all fit perfectly into the pot. And I put water in the pot and just let it cook. Just a reminder that skillet and the noodle pot will be very hot, so be careful. It really does cook a whole package of noodles at once. You just need to break them up. Go ahead and add your seasoning packet. And to kick up my ramen meals, I always add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. And this is not garlic salt, it's garlic powder and onion powder. Whatever you do to fix your ramen, continue to do it as you work in the noodle pot. And what I found is that I didn't have to really drain any water off of the noodles. There's just enough water to cook the noodles and enough water to create the broth for your noodles with the seasoning packet. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove that noodle pot. Set your noodles to the side, and then we're going to cook some chicken. This was some pre-cooked chicken that was frozen. I purchased it at the grocery store, and at the end of this, I'll go ahead and add a clip so that you can see the chicken that I purchased at a very reasonable price. So just watch through to the end of this video for that chicken. Very impressed. This is my first time using this chicken. I was very impressed with it. Notice that I'm now cooking directly on the skillet. I added the chicken and a little bit of water and put the lid on it to go ahead and steam that chicken, and it was cooked from frozen, cooked up really nicely in that noodle skillet. Wow, it's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, we're gonna get a whole meal out of this one. While your chicken is cooking, you want to go ahead and cook up your steamed vegetables in the microwave. These cost about $1.50 or so in the frozen section of your grocery store. They're from Green Giant. They cook up great. The chicken is pre-seasoned and they have many varieties of it. Again, watch till the end of this video for information about this chicken. It's pre-cooked and you just need to heat it through because it does. I put mine in the freezer, but it can also just be refrigerated. And I didn't add any additional seasonings, just some water, and put the lid on it to steam it to cook it a little bit faster. Once that pre-cooked chicken is heated thoroughly, you want to go ahead and get your ramen in your serving container and spread it out. Make a bed of noodles, and then I top that with the vegetables, and lastly, this nicely cooked chicken, all cooked in this noodle cooker and skillet maker. And here it is. Wow, it's a great meal. I had this for lunch and it made so much that I ate the rest in a second portion for my dinner. This is what I call a one-pot meal. So you can see why I have crowned this nostalgia noodle and skillet maker the best gadget of 2025. It's a keeper. And here's that fully cooked chicken that just needs a good warm through. It's found in the refrigerated section, but I popped it in the freezer once I got it home. Thanks for cooking along with me for my kicked up ramen meal. And I mean, it's a meal. You've got a protein, vegetables, and carbs. So go ahead, hit that like button, give me a comment, let me know what you think of my meal.